Magnitude 1 to 2. A tiny hiccup or a light breeze. Magnitude 3 to 4. A passing truck or a small explosion. Magnitude 5. A giant foot stomping the ground, creating cracks and toppling objects. Magnitude 6. A giant monster shaking your house, causing swing and possible collapse. Magnitude 7. A massive wrecking ball causing widespread destruction. Magnitude 8. An angry god causing entire cities to crumble. Magnitude 9. The earth convulsing, ripping apart continents and triggering tsunamis. Magnitude 10. The end of the world, with the earth splitting open and potentially wiping out all life.
Curious Antonio!